Hello, welcome to the sky this week. Let us look at the evening sky of the week. Around 7:30 pm, in the high sky between northeast and southeast, you can observe many bright stars, mainly very attractive constellation Orion. Once you identify this constellation, you can identify many other constellations around this, like Taurus, Canis Major, Canis Minor, Gemini, Auriga, and Lepus. Just above the eastern horizon, you could be able to see Leo constellation. Canopus, second brightest star of night sky, can be seen in south. In the northern sky, Cassiopeia can be easily identified. Towards northwest, Andromeda constellation can be identified with the help of Cassiopeia. You can also see a bright patch which is actually Andromeda galaxy M31. Just towards north of Cassiopeia, you can identify Perseus constellation. In the pre-dawn sky, around 5 am, stars of Winter Triangle, Vega, Altair, and Deneb can be seen in eastern sky. In southeastern sky, one can observe constellations Sagittarius and Scorpio. Towards south, two bright stars of Centaurus, Alpha Centauri and Beta Centauri can be seen. Near to these, Southern Cross can also be seen. In the northern sky, stars of Saptarishi Mandala or Big Dipper can be seen. Using these two stars of Saptarishi Mandala, you can identify the pole star. Using pole star, constellation of faint stars Ursa Minor can be identified. Towards north of Ursa Minor, constellation Draco can be seen. This week, being a third quarter of lunar month, you can observe moon rising late in the evening. So, pre-dawn sky is convenient for moon's observation. If you can observe moon for a whole week, you can easily observe the eastern motion of the moon. Now, let us look at the Messier objects. This week, let us look towards Ophiuchus constellation, which can be identified north of Scorpius and Sagittarius constellations. Here in Ophiuchus, you can see M12, which is a globular cluster, also known as Gumball globular cluster. Here is another globular cluster named M10, and another globular cluster here named M14 can be seen.